Eline, on product, first, action!
Hi, I'm Eline. I come from the Netherlands originally, and I live in Bali for the last year and a half. Today we are going to make our own toothpaste and our own deodorant and some cleaning products. There is so much trash, and even if you get natural soap around here, you don't really know what's in there. And to make your own toothpaste or deodorant, you know exactly what you use and what you're using it for and how it will affect your body as well. Something that they don't abuse the world for to make for you. Don't want to make Mother Earth suffer anymore.
Good. Because it's already burning.
Pray for the Amazon.
It's already burning for 16 days.
And then this whole document like revealed that the president wants it to burn so they can make more farmland.
Oh, is that what?
Yeah,
What is happening?
So we literally used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products to make some cleaning products, some toothpaste, and some deodorant. And then you can add some peppermint. Like this, and it's fine. Okay. And then put it in a glass jar. It's very important for it to be glass because you have essential oil in it, and if not, the essential oil will eat the plastic. 4 tablespoons. 1, then 4, 5 tablespoons of. This article was saying like ecology of feminism is kind of a paroxysm because our grandmother and mother fought for not having the woman in the kitchen anymore, and we are all going back there because we want to make our own product. Yeah. So like you have this woman who would rather spend hours to do their own yogurt than going to a shop and buying one and do something else with her life, just being in the kitchen.
The other thing is, we don't do it for men anymore. To be in the kitchen to do something for us. Something like this.
I'm sure you need to check that, to be honest.
No trash and good ingredients.
Keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me just let me That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me just let me